Okay guys, strategy of the week is going to be over trending and ranging chart patterns. Trending is when a stock moves upwards or downwards, while ranging stocks are moving sideways or consolidating. We're going to look at a few charts so that I can really teach you all this concept better. I really like this picture just because it shows at first a stock that is ranging. As you can see, it's consolidating right here. And then it breaks through this trend line, this green trend line right here, and then starts trending. As you can see, you can tell a ranging stock by it not breaking its previous highs. As you can see, it's not passing this trend line right here, and also the exact opposite is true. It is not going lower than its previous lows. As you can see, it's not breaking this trend line. This would be the trend line support, and this would be this trend line resistance on the top. Basically, no stock is going to move completely horizontal when it's consolidating. Obviously, it's going to be moving up and down, but the trick is to tell when it is consolidating, because it's going to be moving up and down, but at the same time, it's not going to be leaving this range of support and resistance. What you're really going to want to be keying into are when it breaks out of this, when it breaks one of these trend lines and it starts trending, and that's where you're going to make the big money. Okay, tools to find and use and find trades for a trending and ranging stock. So I'm going to kind of go through this with y'all. You can start out on FinViz to start looking for trending and ranging stocks. I found the stock that we're going to go over by going to the FinViz homepage and then going down. They have all these signals. I mean, I've shown it to y'all in earlier videos, but I'm serious. It makes it so easy. You just go channel up or channel down. This would mostly be the ones that are breaking out down, bearish, and this would be the ones that are breaking up, rallying, which would be bullish. So I went to channel down, and then I found this stock from that list that we just went over. Obviously, you can see a lot of consolidation, boom, drops right there. That is definitely going to be a trend. Previously it was ranging, like we had talked about, not really doing very much at all. So I pulled this stock up in stock charts basically to get a better look at it. So I'm going to go over the criteria that y'all should be putting in too on these, so that y'all can basically be looking for the same things that I'm looking for. Okay, so here we have the stock in stockcharts.com, and you're going to be wanting to do let's see, Bollinger Bands, which are going to be down right here, overlays, add Bollinger Bands and then update. And you're also going to need ADX, average directional index, to test if it's trending or ranging. And lastly, full stochastics to kind of see what it's going to do next. And taking you step by step through it. First of all, it's the ADX. You're going to want to look at that. It says on the ADX that if it's above 25, then it's considered trending, and if it's below 25, then it's ranging. So you're going to be wanting to be looking for the higher numbers here on the ADX. But to be honest, that's not a concrete number. Stocks obviously differ. So this one is at 23 and is obviously, I mean, you see the Bollinger Bands converging, and what you're going to look for is, for big breakouts, these Bollinger Bands will converge and get very close, and that's how you know that there's a very good chance that it's about to break out either upwards or downwards. So next you're going to look at stochastics to see if it does break out either of these ways, which way would it go? And this is right here, it was a very bullish signal. Obviously it was dropping right here. So you're going to be thinking, okay, Bollinger Bands are converging. Stochastics is showing a bullish signal. Lastly, you're going to be checking the ADX, which we went over. If it's above 25, it's trending. If it's below 25, then it's ranging. This one is still trending, so those are kind of just estimates to go by. Just basically, I would say even 24s, 23s, those can still definitely be trending. It's just kind of a base number to go off of. So if you would have looked at all of these factors before these Bollinger Bands would have hit right there, you could have predicted that this was about to gap down, and you could have bought some puts on it and made a very nice return. I mean, that was a pretty drastic drop. And that's basically going to be it for today's strategy of the week. Is going to be how to find and trade trending and ranging stocks.